Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a car wiper, vehicle wiper, windshield wiper. There are many names for it. As you can see, mine here is a bit streaky when there is heavy rain, so I've decided to replace mine, and I'm going to show you today how to replace a car wiper. Firstly, you will need wipers. You can check the specification of what size wipers you have or what size of wipers you need for your car. So for my car, it's based on the size that is written up here, and the one that is upside down, which is down here. So I have 24 inches and 20 inches based on my car. So step number 2 is lift up your wipers. Step 2, to remove your old wipers. For this one, it's actually very simple because I have a clip like this. So this clip is the most simplest ever that I've discovered, which is slide down and slide it out the other side. You're done. And basically just like how you remove the old one, you slide it back into the groove here. Give you a close up. Right, as you can see, you have that. Put it into the groove this way, bring it back a bit, and slide it back up. Done. That's it. That simple. So once you're done with this, just make sure it's secure. It's not going to go anywhere. Just can wiggle it a bit and set it back down. Done. Simple to replace a windshield wiper slash car wiper, whatever you may call it. There are many names out there, but this one right here I have is, it's basically the C-clip wiper, which is the most simplest one to take out and replace. So there are many other types of wiper with the different types of clips. It is not very confusing. All you have to do is just refer to the manual, which is literally right behind the wiper casing. Follow the steps and you can replace yours. Make sure to get the same size based on your car specifications. Where you want to find out, very simple. Just Google it, put your car model, and everything will be right there. So the one that I got is a C-clip, which is the most easiest one to replace. And that was so easy to replace. You just push it out and push it back in, you're done. All right. So usually I will replace my wipers after about a year and a half, maybe 2, depending on the condition and how much I've used it. So I would advise you to do the same. It is not very expensive. This set right here for both cost me about 30 ringgit. So the one that I got is the Bosch brand. By all means, this is not a sponsored video by Bosch anyway. So just to show you how easy it is to replace wipers, it is also very good for your safety, knowing that Malaysia now is the rainy weather. It's going to be very useful for you guys. So very simple, so easy. If your wipers are streaky, old, might as well just replace it, or you can clean it regularly to keep it healthy. That's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave your comment down below. Maybe somewhere around here I will show you some examples of different type of clips that are with the wipers that are out there. So maybe you can have a look-see to see what fits your car. Again, follow the instructions and you're all good. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very simple and easy, straightforward one. How to replace wipers. Very useful. At the end of the day, for rainy weather, it's going to help you a lot. I hope it helped you. So again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Share this video to your friends and or family, whoever needs some advice on how to replace wipers, and you're good to go. Alright, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Till the next time guys, never look back and always look forward. See you in the next one. Take it easy.